How to create QR code for Google Form. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Form application, log in with your account details and edit your form. Once the editing has been done, click on the send option at the top. Then after you will see the option of copy link. Simply go to the link option. Choose the option of shorten URL and click on copy. Once copied, go to Canvas, click on create a design and customize the size. You can simply use 1080 pixel for both height and width. Then click on create a design. Once the design has been created, on your left hand side menu, scroll below and go to apps. Then after you will see the option of search box. Simply search for QR code. Hit the enter key and choose a QR option. Now here paste the URL which you just pasted of Google Form. After that simply click on generate QR code and there you go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.